Hey guys. Today is day 27, 27 of my 6-month flat tummy transformation. I have challenged myself to do at least 3 minutes of abdominal work every day for 6 months. Come hell or high water. And so far so good. It is 11:31 p.m. Today is Wednesday. What's today? Tuesday or Wednesday? Child know what day it is. But anyway, it's today, and I think it's Wednesday. I've been so busy all day long that time just got away from me, and I just realized that I did not do my workout today. Because normally I would go outside and do it, but today was rainy. It was raining pretty much all day, gloomy and everything, so I have to take it inside when it's raining. So far I've lost 1 inch off of this area here. And I'm really glad that I'm doing this, because I've come to the realization that it wasn't my diet, although when I split up with my husband, I was medicating myself with Pop-Tarts, cookies, honey buns, you name it, honey. Like I have my computer sitting on top of an ice chest right now, and I literally was stashing my goods in there. I would go to the Dollar Tree and rack up, honey, on honey buns, potato chips, and Dollar Tree Pop-Tarts. I don't like those. I gotta have the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. But literally every time I got up to use the bathroom, I would grab a cookie, a Pop-Tart, a Twinkie, you name it. I was eating it. And next thing I know, I was waddling. I could not bend down to tie my shoe without all of this in the way. I was like, something's got to give. Something's got to give. So, I had to just do something drastic to get the weight off. And I did a liquid diet, a liquid smoothie diet. I just drank smoothies for 6 months. And then this year I started baking. And I did not want to start baking. The Lord said, bake your grandmother's pound cake. And I said, now I know I just lost 60 pounds. I ain't trying to gain that weight back. Bake the cake. Okay, so I started baking the cake. But I'll tell you what, I'm having the best time baking. Because I need something to do with my hands. Being a caregiver, I need like a pleasant, creative distraction, right? And that's what baking gives me, and I just love it. So anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're able to sleep well tonight. Some slow movements. Those slow movements really feel that burn. Focus on the right. Oh, I need to turn on the air conditioner. I tell you that. Hold on. Air conditioner and a fan, because sister girl getting hot. don't want to drink too much of that water because I don't want to catch cramps. Now, where was I? Okay. Focus on the right. So, as I was saying, it wasn't my diet. It was the fact that I didn't have enough muscle mass. So, building muscle mass, that's the name of the game. The muscles burn fat. I see that. Going the other way. All right. How many minutes is that? 6 minutes so far. So I'm going to do something a little different since I'm in the house. Show you something you can do on your bed. So just sit on the bed like this right here. Move that down a little so you can see my legs. Okay. And this is for the lower abs. So just kind of get to the edge of the bed and oh, whew, that's all I can do with those. Okay, what else do I want to do? You can lay on the bed and I got my yoga mat, but we don't need that. We'll just use the bed. All right. Just holding the legs. Just hold that as long as you can. Woo! Whew. All right, folks. That's it. That's good enough. Bye. See you tomorrow, day 28.